This is John, and I'm the webmaster at mazes.com. And I took a program that I originally wrote in a dream, an actual, I was asleep in bed dream. It was around 1987 in Collinsville, Illinois, when I was living above a computer store. And I woke up out of that dream having written a four-dimensional maze program. And I then turned on my computer and started writing the program in BASIC, knowing the general logic that I used in the dream. Of course, I had to write a lot of the logic myself because I couldn't remember everything from the dream. But I wrote a three-dimensional maze program and got it working that day. I don't remember how many hours. And then over the next few days, got it to work in four dimensions. And then I kept evolving the program over the months and years that followed, even taking it to conventions to make mazes for people. I have a background in programming on microcomputers that goes back to 1977 on the Radio Shack TRS-80 Level 1, Model 1, 16K microcomputer. And some of your fathers or grandfathers might remember a 16K Star Trek program that was given away by users groups and by Radio Shack salesmen nationwide in the USA around 1979 to 81, though I released it in 78. So call it 78 to 81. Anyway, I wrote that program, but the first few people took my name out of the program. The St. Louis Users Group president said, "Oh, I took your name out because that means the program is no longer copyrighted and I can give it away." So I sold exactly one copy in all those years. Anyway, when TI decided to have a creativity contest in September 2021, and since I had just bought their new TI-84 plus CE Python calculator, I decided to rewrite the two-dimensional version of that dream program from scratch. And oh boy, did it take a number of days to get that program working, because unlike BASIC, you can't see the program run step by step. So it took a lot more work to debug in Python than I originally was able to do in BASIC. And of course, now if I go back to that BASIC program, I've got a learning curve to get through. Anyway, what you see running in the background right now is demo mode, which will be with the program that you can download from the internet. You'll see the download page listed on one of these screens as it shows up. It picks random messages at the bottom of each screen. In fact, there's the address right now, mazes.com/TI-84/amazing download. Note the extra E in amazing. And there's my email address. So anyway, this is my entry for TI's contest. I hope you enjoy the program. And if you enjoy it, do download it. And just because I'm nice, let me switch over to the other page. I'm going to hit the on key, which breaks into the program. There's the keyboard interrupt. Then I click trace twice, which you'll see means editor on the screen, which puts it back into the program. And there's the entire program. I'll just let it scroll through. So you can see it's not quite as short a program as you might expect. Okay, there's the end of the program. Now let's run it in manual mode. So again, I click the trace button, which now it means run, which you see at the bottom of the screen. And let's go 0, enter for manual mode. Now it asks for maze scale 11 through 25, but you can actually put in values from 10 up to, I think, 39. Whatever number I put as a limit, but it'd be a very simple maze at 35 through 39. 10 will always work. It should always work, but in demo mode, 10 sometimes didn't work. So here is an example. Type 10, enter, and there is a maze being created in scale number 10, 10 being the distance in pixels from the center of one line to the center of the next line. And it picks a random message. CalculatorPython.quora.com is one of my Q&A sites where you can ask questions or discuss things with me. Okay, let's press enter to get out of that. Here's what happens if you enter scale 9. There's a memory allocation error. If TI redesigns the program to give more RAM to the Python app when it's running, then maybe at a future date you'll be able to run size 9 and on down. But note that if you try to get down, if they ever give you enough memory to run version for scale 3, you would also have to adjust the path width because I'm using a medium path width right now. Okay, let's go back to the editor. I keep wanting to click on the word editor. I have to click the trace button below it and run it again. Maybe I'll put a blank line in there sometime. 1, enter for demo mode. And there it is back in demo mode. And it will keep running random mazes forever until you hit the on button to break into it again. So anyway, this is my entry for TI's September 2021 creativity contest. I forget what it's called. They said to post a photo of your creativity, but a photo does not do my entry justice. So I will display a photo, but I will also display a link to this YouTube video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy my program. And if you do decide to uh, get the TI-84 plus CE Python edition graphing calculator, I hope you will use my Amazon link to get it. If you go to www.amazon.mazes.com, I believe that will take you to my affiliate link for Amazon. And if that one doesn't work, mazes.com/Amazon certainly would. So thank you for enjoying my little program demonstration. And if you have any questions about how the program works, you can email me at the address you'll see on one of the screens that's coming up, or you can go to one of the Quora pages like calculatorpython.quora.com that you see on this page and ask me a question, and I'll do my best to answer your question. And there's mazes.com/TI-84/amazing download again. That's where you'll find the current version once I upload it. Thanks again.